Well, hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a St. Patrick's Day look. It's sort of a statement look, the greens, the blacks, the browns, and all that good stuff. So I've already done my foundation and brows off camera because that saves a lot of time. Now what I'm going to do right now is just apply some concealer from the Revolution HD concealer palette, and that's what I'll be using as my base. Guys, I must apologize for the change in the lighting. I was having a really hard time trying to adjust my light, and so I'm sorry for the changing in between shots. I really apologize about that. I hate it, but I'm trying to work on this ring light. I still haven't, understood how to use it, but I'm trying here, guys, so please bear with me. So after applying my concealer, I'm going to set it with some Ben Nye banana powder because I don't want my eyeshadow to move, and then I'll be using the Juvia's Place the Masquerade Mini Palette, and the first shade I'm going to pop into my crease area is called Ada. I think it's Ada or Ada, A-D-A. I'm not quite sure, but that's the color I'll be popping into my crease area, and I'll be blending that back and forth until I get it kind of, blended out nicely.
Go losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become?
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna apply the shade called Fulani, and it's like a nice chocolate brown, but it's not coming off as pigmented as I want it to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and build it up and then blend it into the shade that I already applied in my crease. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I'm kind of carving out that crease, that lid area, because I want the shade I'm about to use to really pop. So that is why I am kind of carving out that area right there. Okay guys, so that part of my lid that I just carved out, I'm going to go ahead and apply the shade called Mali, and it's such a beautiful green. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and pat that onto the concealer that I've just applied.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you.
This was totally unnecessary, but I went ahead and I used the shade called Zola just to put between the shade Mali and Fulani.
Under your spotlight.
So because I wanted the look to be a little bit more intense, I'm going to go ahead and use Shady from the Life's a Drag palette. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and blend that back into the shade called Fulani because that wasn't really showing up. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply that on the outer V, mixing it into the shade Zola and also a little bit into the crease area. To line my waterline area, I'll be using this eyeliner pencil from Sephora, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Mali to just smudge underneath that.
round we go, losing self-control.
So guys, you might have noticed that I've already applied my lashes off camera, and I'm wearing these Shaunz Beauty lashes in the style Strut, and we are having a 50% off sale at the moment, so please make sure that you go ahead and check us out. The link will be in the description box down below. Go ahead and check us out. Go ahead and get yourself some fabulous lashes, darling. They are 50% off at the moment. Make sure that you go and pick up some and apply Flash 50 when you are about to check out. Go ahead and try out our lashes. They are absolutely amazing. You know the usual thing, guys. LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn for my highlight. I'm going to blend that out, and then I'm going to use Ben Nye Banana Powder to set that in place.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you. Chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone.
You guys know by now how much I love this highlighter palette, and it's the Black Up Time Jenny Jenkins highlighter palette, and I'm going to use that nice golden shade to just highlight my cheekbones. And my nose, of course. Now to finish off this look, I'm going to go ahead and apply this lip liner from MAC called Cork. And I really don't like it because it crumbles quite a lot. But anyways, I'm going to use that to outline my lips. And I'm going to go in with Colored Rain liquid lipstick in the shade Classy. And then I'm going to top that off with some clear gloss from LA Colors.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight.
So I'm going to go ahead and finish off my face by spraying some Rimmel setting spray all over my face so that my face doesn't look too powdery. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final look. I do hope you like it. Of course, if you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the notifications on, and leave me a comment to let me know if you liked this look. I apologize again for the lighting. I am going to try and get that sorted very soon. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.
Looking for something.